Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Techie Teddy here to talk about what might be one of my favorite smart home devices, the Nest Mini from the people over at Google. Before we go ahead and get started, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions for me or would like to request a particular device that I should do a video review of, please leave your suggestions in the comments section below. Let's go ahead and get started. The Google Home Mini is a small, powerful, unique, and simple device that every smart home aficionado should have inside their home. The Google Home Mini can allow you to do a wide variety of things all by the sound of your voice. Commands like turning on or off your lights, adjusting the thermostat to the temperature of your liking, turning on or off your television, or start your coffee maker. The amount of home automation with this small device is simply limitless. The Google Home comes in a wide range of colors, from chalk, charcoal, coral, and aqua. Today, I'll be showing the charcoal version. Now let's go ahead and take off the exterior packaging. Google has made it easy for us by providing a pull tab to get right inside of the box. Let's go ahead and fold back the top. Once we do so, we will see the Google Home Mini in all of its glory. Underneath the hardware, you will find various instruction manuals. And underneath the manuals, you will find the micro USB power cord. For this device, setup has never been easier. Let's start by simply plugging in the device. Once the device is receiving power, let's download the Google Home app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Now let's go ahead and get the Google Home Mini set up. Simply launch the Google Home app. Once launched, you will see a Set Up One Device button from the top of the screen. Click that and then select the location you would like to have this device set up. The app will then search for a nearby device. When your device has been located, select the Google Home Mini option and then select Next. Once the Google Home app has located your device, it will take you through some prompts within a setup wizard. Google Home Mini will make a sound once it is paired. If you hear this sound, go ahead and select Yes. I selected No Thanks for helping improve Google Home Mini, and then I selected Kitchen since that's where I will be installing this device. On the next screen, select your Wi-Fi network that you would like to connect the device to and then select Next. This might take a while for your device to connect, so I sped up the video for the sake of time. Once your Google Home Mini is connected to your Wi-Fi network, go ahead and select Next. I selected No Thanks for Teach Google Assistant Your Voice. You can go ahead and select this up later in settings. I then selected No Thanks for Personal Results. Go ahead and add any music or video services of your liking. If you would like Google Home Mini to answer ingoing and outgoing calls, go ahead and set this up. Once you select Next, your Google Home Mini will begin to download a firmware update. Allow it to download, and once it completes the update, go ahead and select Continue. Your Google Home Mini is now connected to your Wi-Fi, and you should see it within the Google Home app. You are now able to use the Google Home Mini for whatever you would like. You can see here that my Google Home Mini is located in my kitchen. Feel free to adjust the volume of the speakers by dragging the volume indicator to your desired volume output, or simply by asking Google to raise or lower the volume. The Google Home Mini supports Wi-Fi as well as Bluetooth. The speakers built into the Google Mini offer 360-degree sound with a 2-microphone array and a mute switch, or when you think you've had enough of the device listening into your conversations. Google Mini supports both iOS and Android and only starts at $49. As you guys can see from this video, the Google Home Mini is an excellent device to have in your home. It allows for effortless voice commands and acts as an extra hand around the house, which I know a lot of us need. If you're up to it, feel free to fill your home with as many Google Minis as you would like. You can then play music throughout your entire home and create a stereo pair so that the music is streaming on all devices and all at once. It's great for when you're having company or simply just want to rock out. If you're interested in purchasing this device, I've posted a link in the video description below. Lastly, if you haven't done so already, I ask that you pound that subscribe button and click the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I will be releasing new videos on a weekly basis. Have you followed me on Instagram or Twitter? Throw a follow on social to stay up to date with video releases and giveaways. If you want to request a particular device that you think I should do a video review of, go ahead and drop your suggestions in the comments section below. I would love to hear back from you guys. Well, thank you for stopping by and tuning in. That's all for today. Techie Teddy, out.